Hi guys, this is Kayla with Wild Moon Studio Arts, and today I wanted to show you how to knit the loop stitch. This is my Luna wall hanging, and in that pattern I have loop stitch. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. You're going to need 2 double pointed needles or straight needles. I don't recommend using circular needles because you can put stress on the cord. So you're going to insert through the front of your stitch like you're going to knit. Wrap your yarn around and pull it to the front between those 2 stitches. Pull down, place your thumb there, wrap this string around, pull it back through, and then you're going to knit through this back loop. In other videos that I've watched, they will knit through the front, but the stitches are already kind of tight and I just don't want to twist it. So I'm going to pull my working yarn through there. I'm going to slip that stitch off my left needle, and then I'm going to bind off this second stitch on my right needle to finish the loop stitch. And there you have your finished loop stitch. So I will go ahead and show you guys again. And there you have it. That is how you do the loop stitch. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how to knit content. Thank you guys so much.